Yo, today we are cooking the laziest food ever. Instant noodles or ramen, whatever you want to call. It really depends on how much water you add. I will boil the water in the kettle, so while it's boiling I won't be able to speak. So let's go. While it boils, we will prepare other stuff like garlic, because I like garlic. I would put the garlic just like this because I'm a psycho and I eat garlic like that. Oh, no, not now! So, okay, I'm crying because of onions and our water is boiled. I'm making my ramen in this saucepan because it is the exact portion that I need. We're gonna add the noodles just like normal. We have the packages for aroma or flavor, whatever you want to call it. It's chicken flavor, by the way, but fun fact, a vegan friend of mine told me that this is actually vegan because it's artificial flavors. So this brand and this chicken flavor thing is vegan. Like, I see this brand and this package in a vegan's house and they're eating it for sure. Like, they're saying it's artificial, so it's okay. It's not an animal. So is this healthy? Questionable, but you know. Okay, let me. Wait, you don't see it. Now you see it. I like my metal chopsticks. I'm putting in my garlic. There's this. I'm putting in my onions. Red onions. I don't know why, but me and my brother is on the red onion phase nowadays. So, what are we going to add? Mushrooms. And I will just do this with my hands. I think it won't fit. Aww. Is this making ASMR sounds now? I'm not sure. This is so hard with one hand. Oh, I forgot the spices. So we added the spices that came from the package, but it's not enough for me. No. Let's add some salt. Just a bit of and cumin. Again, just a bit. And well, yeah, it's written there. Okay, turmeric. We're adding turmeric just to add some color. And we wait. Like, that's the food. That's it. The laziest, but I think not healthy. Okay, I accept that it's not healthy. So while it cooks, we can chat. I will have my timer for 3 minutes. Okay, you didn't see that because I cut it. This part looks okayish. Okay, so while we're waiting, we can chat a bit because I'm alone today. Like, my family is not here right now. They are coming back in 2 days or 3 days. So why I love garlic? Let's talk about that. So many people love garlic in Turkey, but also so many people doesn't like garlic. And the common sense is that it smells bad and like you shouldn't eat garlic in some certain social situations, like before you kiss, for instance, or when you're out in work. Like, for lunch you shouldn't eat something garlic because, you know, you're in work environment and you don't want your mouth to smell. But luckily, I rarely ever go out. I work remotely. and no one smells me, so I can add as much as garlic I want. I'm sometimes thinking why I am liking this so much. Like, why? I think it's because of my father. When I was little, he was always saying that in ancient Egypt, while they were building pyramids, they were feeding the workers garlic. Like 1 garlic a day to make them powerful and like have strength to do all of those pyramids, like it's hard labor. So garlic makes you strong, and it gives you stamina, it gives you resilience. That's why I think I like garlic. That's the story. You learned something today, I hope. I'm not gonna add anything else because it is okay, in my opinion. I haven't tasted yet, but I think it's okay because like this is how many times I cooked this? No idea, but probably a lot. So it's been 3 minutes as well. My thing just buzzed. One last heat, boil, and boom. That's it. As a true lazy person, I'm not gonna show that part, but I will eat my food out of this directly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to eat. Bye. Wait a second. Would you want me to have some mukbang? No, not yet.